Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add social media buttons in WordPress in 2025, and it will be a complete updated guide for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here actually you can see this is our website. This is the interface you will get to see when you will visit in our website. So we just want to integrate our social media buttons in our website. So how we can do it? The process is really simple. You just need to go over here to the plugin. Once you come over here, then you just need to click over here add plugin options. Once you click over here, there add plugin. So in this option, in this form, I am going to search is share, social share, and here we will get the output over that place. In the search result we will get our options. So here you can choose any of them, social media buttons and social media icons. So I will go with let's find out something good for our users. So I think this one will be a good one, so I will go with this one, or I can go with this one. So I will click to the install, and it will take a couple of minutes to install, so we just need to keep patience here. Once it complete, then we are allowed to enable this one, like integrate with our website the social media icons. So here you can see the things perfectly here. So let's keep patience over that place. So here you can see this is the description of them, and here you can see the screenshot. So you can enable this thing easily here on your website. So I will just click to the activate because our installation has been done. So here I will just click to the activated. Once I click to this place, it will activate it for our users. So I will come back to install a plugin here, and here just click to the escape for now, and let's find it out, does it activate it yet or not. So let's see. Yes, I think it was already been installed. I'm Elementor, then the thing unlimited social media plus. So I will click to the setting. Once I click over here, then actually we will be entered to the dashboard. So here you can see this is the unlimited plan. So here you can read it one by one. So I will click through this one, save all setting, and just click over here, and then I will go to our dashboard, our interface, and let's refresh this one. And here actually you can see our social icons has been appeared in our website. So in this way you can easily add your social icons in here, or if you want to edit this platform, you are allowed to edit it here. So here we have the options for edit things. So here you just need to click over which icons do you want. You can select any of them, you can recheck this on. It's totally depend on you how you want to organize your website with the design. You can change whole designs outlook, you can change the appeal also. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.